Today I'm behind the wheel of a very beautiful 1997 993 Carrera S. Back in the day, the S designation referred to super or sports. I like to think it meant schnell, which means fast in German. With this model in particular, the S refers to a few things that are worth noting. The wide-body turbo look, the suspension upgrade, and interior trim. So when you're thinking about a 993 and you see the S, consider these things. The most significant thing about this model is that this represents the very last of the air-cooled engines. And for the real Porsche fanatics, that's a big thing. Really, it's a truly impressive car and one for a driver. There's so many things that I love about this car. The driving experience is really fun. The interior is immaculate. The thing that I really love about this car, and it stands out in the sunlight, is this beautiful midnight metallic blue paintwork, which would have cost the first owner a small fortune. When you go to buy a Porsche, they give you 4 factory standard colors. That's black, red, yellow and white. So something quite unique like this is a custom order. And I've got to say, in the sunlight, it's really spectacular. Please visit our state-of-the-art showroom here in Richmond for a personal inspection. Family-owned business since 1911. Make mine rare.